You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this double letter once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more pronunciations in English, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more videos for you. So this is pronounced as TT. Now, if it's a double T in a word, it's going to be pronounced as T in British English, or sometimes like a flap T, what's called a flap T in American English, in the US in particular, pronounced like a D. All right? So, TT or T or D, as in flattered, for example. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.